lulutuin, diba? At tayo nandito na naman sa kusina at magluto tayo ng ginataang munggo. Nalambot ko na yung munggo, guys, at saka lagyan natin ng tomato, onion, tapos bawang. Gusto ko siyang lagyan ng garlic. So, ilagay na natin doon habang pinapakuluan siya. And then, meron tayong onion, itong yung green onion. Then, yung gulay na ilagay natin is yung spinach kasi meron pa tayo at saka itong coconut milk. So, nahiwa ko na siya lahat. Then, umpisa na nating magluto, guys, para pag malambot na yung munggo, para diretsuhan ng magluto. Ito na yung ginataang munggo natin. Meron tayong kimchi. Gawa ko yan, guys. Magpa-carwash time tayo. Bagong owner na to dito.
Bagong management.
Bagong owner. Bagong management pala. Mr. Car Wash. Corner of Imperial and Inglewood. Yeah. Mr. Car Wash. Pa-car wash na tayo, guys, kasi yung kotse natin ay napakalinis na.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Marunong dito maglinis eh. Akala nyo? Marunong nitong kumain. Marunong din itong maglinis. What you doing there, ba? Baba. Shh. Oh. Oh. He was looking for his friend, bird friend. There's a bird friend over there somewhere, ha, Baba? Let me see, ba? Ah.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So, kailangan ko pa rin ayusin dun sa taas, but wala akong time. I-organize ko to isa-isa. One day at a time.